Hello, my name is Simon T. I'm a Nigerian. In today's video, I want to teach you how you can make a microphone with your old earphone. So if you are a new YouTuber, or if you want to buy a microphone and it's too expensive for you, you can still make microphone with your old earphone. So in today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to teach you. So if today is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you see more of my video. So first of all, you have to carry your old earphone, like you see this one, old earphone. See this type of earphone, see it. So you make sure you have your scissors. You have your scissors. That's very sharp scissors. So you see there's a microphone inside here. It's a microphone. That is why if you are speaking to somebody, you can receive call here, you can speak here, direct here. There's a microphone. You see a hole here. It's a microphone. So microphone is inside. So you just use your scissors and cut it here. This earphone I'm using it, so I don't want to cut it. I'm showing you an example. So you cut it here. You cut it from here. When you cut it from here, then so when you cut it, when you cut the earphone, you cut it here. You make sure you cut it here. When you cut this one out, then you will carry your phone. You plug it inside your phone, and you go to record. You go to record. See record. Go to record. And you click on the record. Click on the record. Now you can see that if I touch, click on the record. Now you see that thing is moving. I'm touching it and you see that it's moving. It's recording now. So now you can use here as your microphone. Like you see the one I'm hanging here is also earphone, but I'm speaking with the microphone on the earphone. So that is how you make your earphone. You make your microphone with old earphone. That is all. You can see now that the phone is speaking from here now. If I touch it, you will see it moving.